be training you on how to handle the toughest section of listening, which is part 5. So, part 5, listening to a discussion, is found slightly tricky by a lot of students, and we'll make it easy for you. All you need to do is understand the strategy properly on this so that the notes are relevant enough and you can find your answers in those notes. So, for listening to a discussion, you require 3 columns. So, first, on our sheet, quickly we will draw 3 columns. The person to your left, because there are always 3 people in listening to a discussion, you will have a person to the left, a person in the middle, and a person to your right. So, the person to your left is your left column, person in the middle, middle column, and the person to your right, right column. Once these 3 columns, you've written the names, you'll write the names according to where they are placed, as in where they are sitting. Now, in the left column, write down the dialogues of the person who is to the left, and so on for the other 2 columns. You will have to jump really fast from column to column. Try not judging what point or what dialogue is important. Just keep working on writing it faster. Once you have written the dialogues, and of course, we'll write them in short, also ensure that you write them one after the other. It should not be something which you are writing like full sentences, because then you can't complete all the dialogues. But an important aspect here is not to judge what is important and what is not. Everything is important in listening to a discussion. You have to write down all the points so that your notes are in front. Video, we are going to try and understand how to make those notes that we talked about. So, say the question or the audio starts. The moment the audio starts, first write down the topic, which is recruitment scenario, because that's what they are talking about. Then, in the middle column, you will write down Adrian, who's sitting in the middle, left column, Bob, and then right column, Clara. Now, when we start, Adrian starts speaking, and then write the dialogue in Adrian's column. So, for example, for this, you will write down how can we improve the recruitment process. Then, in Bob's column, write down evaluate current practices. In Clara's column, write ensure the right practices, best fit. So, these words will help you in answering the question. Keep writing the dialogues in each person's column in points. Then these notes help as a reference point when answering questions. For example, if the first question is what is the main purpose? We know that the answer is recruitment because we had it in our notes. The next question is, say, according to Adrian, what area should the team focus on? Now, all you need to do is go to Adrian's column and look for notes which talk about this. So, this style of note making ensures that all the relevant information is with you. So, practice right. Your notes should be relevant. The points that you write down should all be there. Try not missing any point.